In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open new chat in Cursor AI. This is a quick, no-frills walkthrough that shows you the absolute fastest way to spin up a fresh conversation so you can keep your work clean, focused, and moving. Why start a new chat? In Cursor AI, each conversation carries context from what you've already discussed. That's great while you're staying on one topic, but it can become distracting when you pivot to something new. A brand new chat gives you a clean slate, which helps the model respond more precisely to your latest goal without being influenced by earlier prompts. Here's the key. On Windows or Linux, the shortcut is Ctrl+N. Press and hold the Control key, then tap the letter N and release. That's it. One quick motion opens a blank chat instantly, without reaching for menus or the mouse. If you're used to shortcuts from other apps, this one will feel natural, because Ctrl+N often means create new across many programs. A couple of small pointers make this even smoother. First, be sure the Cursor AI window is active before you press the keys. Keyboard shortcuts go to whichever app is in focus, so if your cursor is in a different program, nothing will happen in Cursor. Second, on most keyboards, the Control key is labeled Control and sits at the bottom corners, and N is the regular letter N key. You don't need any function keys, and you don't need Shift. If you accidentally hold extra modifiers, some systems may interpret that as a different command. When you use Ctrl+N successfully, you should see a fresh chat ready for your next prompt, with no leftover context from earlier threads. This is particularly helpful if your previous conversation drifted, or if you want to compare two different approaches side by starting anew. It also keeps your workspace tidy, which makes it easier to find things later. If the shortcut doesn't seem to respond, it could be that another application or your desktop environment is intercepting Ctrl+N, or that custom key bindings are in place. That's uncommon, but good to be aware of. In most standard Windows and Linux setups, it will work right away. So to recap in the simplest possible terms, whenever you need a clean slate in Cursor AI on Windows or Linux, press Ctrl+N. It's the fastest route to a brand new chat and a focused mindset, helping you move from idea to answer with zero friction.